Hey everyone, Henry here from Legend Boats. Today with us, we have the V-Series Aqua Tower. Come with me, let's have a little more in-depth look at what this boat's all about. Here we are at the front of the V-Series Aqua Tower. One of the really cool features that this particular pontoon comes with is the amount of seating that you have in the front of it. Really nice high in your back. Suspension seating is all standard on the V-Series you're going to find. Starting from the front of the pontoon, there's cup holders tucked away nice and low underneath you as well. On both port and starboard sides, tons and tons of storage with suspension seating built into these platforms, and very, very easy to wick away moisture if you're out there. Moving towards the middle of the front cushions, you have removable cup holders that can position anywhere you want for your location that you like, and also a lot more storage underneath all the front seating. On the port side of the front seating area, you also have a built-in storage compartment, which is nice just to store some knick-knack items, towels, and any other items you want to have for your little quick grab items there for you. Here we are at the helm of the Prestige series on the V-Series Aqua Tower. What we have with us is everything's all touchscreen, very little analog control you're going to find on here. Starting from the right side of the helm, you're going to have a beautiful Garmin system that's completely touchscreen. Everything from your sonar with the clear view feature, completely standard on it. Also, all your charts you ever need for navigation, which is completely standard on all of these units. In the middle, you're going to have a beautiful medallion. This particular medallion controls everything on the boat. Starting from your gauges, you have your miles per hour, RPMs all built in, temperature readout, volt readout, and also trim ability. With that, you also have your controls, which controls all your nav lights on and off, anchoring, your docking, interior lights, underwater lights, and also exterior lights. And one of the really cool features is our slide built into the Aqua Tower there for you as well. On the left side of it, you have a beautiful Fusion stereo system, but it's all Bluetooth. You can definitely stream all your music services from your mobile device. Here, I guess right behind the helm, we have a beautiful wraparound seating area for everybody to hang out on, a beautiful table with cup holders, and a place to put your cell phone. Storage is all built in as well on this particular model. Lots and lots of storage on the V-Series Aqua Tower with ample amount of room to put all your stuff there for you. Here, right behind the wraparound seating area, you're going to find a beautiful sun deck you can definitely just lounge on. You have two openings back here for you. One is going to be your battery storage on this particular side with lots of room to put other knick-knack items back there. Forward from that, you're also going to find a built-in change room in here, and it's a little bit more spacious than your typical change room you're going to find on a pontoon boat. With lots of room, get in, maneuver, do what you need to do, walk it back up again, and just as easy as that, it closes it and you're off on the races again. Here we are at the stern of the Aqua Tower. Back here, you're going to find a couple of really cool features back here for you. First off is going to be your ski bar, completely stainless steel. You can definitely do some skiing and wakeboarding off this. With that, you also have your built-in telescoping ladder to get in and out of the water. Very ergonomic there, and a water slide that's built into the Aqua Tower there for you as well. With that, we can head our way up the ladder here, up to the top deck, and check out what the Aqua Tower is all about. Last but not least, here we are at the top deck of the Aqua Tower. Completely spacious, lots of room, still covered with the beautiful vinyl flooring that you see on the main deck there for you as well. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you get a chance, stop by your local dealer to have a look at it.